I've been making cross cuts and I got the saw really square, so I got a nice square edge. But what's been puzzling me is that I'll get a really nice square edge one time and the next time I get a wavy edge, which doesn't make a whole lot of sense. Nothing's loose here. Everything's pretty rigid right now. And the other thing I noticed yesterday, which I didn't quite take too much notice of, but it seemed odd, it's not something I ever noticed before, is that there was slack in this belt drive. This way. And like I say, I didn't really take too much notice of that. It seemed a little unusual, but I wasn't too worried about it. But today I cut some dado slots, and one of them in particular, I measured it really well and cut it, and it didn't come out where I measured it. And I thought maybe I just measured it wrong. But then I happened to notice that this spindle was moving in and out like this. And that explains to me both problems I was having. Now these two things are not related. I just happened to find the slack issue when I took it apart. This key, camera won't cooperate, this key is pretty worn, and that's where all the slack is coming from. But there's this nut that holds that pulley on here, and as far as I can tell, that nut is takes all of our end play out, and the bearings here, those must be seem to be pretty good, but there's nothing else here controlling end play except how tight that nut is. Now this nut was Loctited on. It was very hard to remove, so I'm puzzled why it was loose, but it was loose, and that seems to be the problem. But I'll take care of both of these issues at the same time here. Have to run and get some key stock. I don't have any 1/8 inch key stock. At least I probably do, but I can't find it.